Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it. And for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to right corner button. Here we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage with settings at the last position, so let's open them. And now at the third place we have shooter sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Let me keep it turned off. When we move back to the camera and when I take another picture, now we can't hear the sound. And of course when we go to the right corner settings once again, tap to shooter sound to turn it on, we can hear it again. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.